Hi, I'm Maddie Stump. I'm from Commerce Township, Michigan, and I study environmental policy here at BGSU. Some of my involvements on campus include being in undergraduate student government, I work in the Marvin Center for Student Leadership, and I'm in Bowling Green Alternative Breaks. In honor of homecoming this year, I'm doing my Falcon-funded campaign for the Honors College. When I first visited BGSU as a high school student, I met with the Honors College and I knew that this place could be my home. The Honors College staff, faculty, and students were incredibly supportive of my ideas, my views, and my background. And that support has continued in my time here. I know that I can always go into the Honors College and someone will be there to listen to my ideas and to support me in my professional, academic, and my personal life. And that has really made me feel a sense of community and home at BGSU. So, for this year, for homecoming, if you could donate to the Honors College, you can find more information on my Falcon Funded page.